I'm down on one of my favorite creeks here, and I've been over this pretty good with the detector already. So now I'm kind of hitting those weird spots, like I'm trying to get stuff out of the water and that sort of thing. But what I wanted to cover today was prospecting underwater when the water's too cold to get into, sniping, or too shallow. So I've made this, and it's just about an 8-inch long piece of 3-inch ABS pipe. You want a black pipe, it works better. White pipes tend to reflect funny. And then I've got a piece of acrylic on the bottom, so it's like a telescope without magnification. But now I can use this to look underwater at a target that I've got. So I'll show you this target, and then we'll take a look and see if there's actually something there to dig up. So I got my GPX nope, that's my pick. So right in here, I've already moved some dirt material, but so there's obviously a nice sounding target right in there. I think it's right about in here. And now we're gonna try and fan this out of the way. And this is bedrock right here. So I know that I'm pretty close, and that's bedrock there. So hopefully there's a piece of gold laying right in there. But I can't see it because the water's blurry. So here we go. This is a really cool tool. I want to show you. So that's what we're looking at. Obviously you can't see anything. And then with this, you're looking at that. So very handy. I don't know how clear that is on the camera, but it's great for me. So I'm gonna move this material around a little bit and see if we can get down to where we can see the gold. I want to show you this spot. It's one of the spots that I kind of look at when I'm sniping. There's this notch right here. Goes along, tightens up, and it drops off. There's a hole right there. It's gonna be kind of hard to look into it because I'm gonna get all wet. But it's exactly where I would expect heavies to drop out. And when I stick the coil down there, it screams. So we're gonna get our semi-sniping gear out. Shut that off. And we'll take a look. Let's see here. Maybe right there. Stay. All right. I brought my knee pads. Oh, there's a beautiful crevice down here. Beautiful. To show you what I'm looking at down here, you see, you can't see anything. And then I put this in, and you can see that rock right there, that big one? That's why I need to get out first. And then all the other stuff should come out too, but it's jammed in there hard. So, sometimes the best thing to do is just to hammer on the top of it a good bit. Tap around it a bunch to try and get it out. Seems like it's... Come on. Can't believe I forgot my knee pads. They're really nice right now. It's hurting my knees. Let's see if I can get it out. There it is. See? Let the water clear. Angles. I see a 22 bullet down there. It's not gold, but it's a good sign. I'm gonna get my tweezers so I can get it out. Pulled out the 22 bullet. I'm gonna check it again here. There's definitely something still there. I'm getting deeper down here. I see a couple little flakes of gold. Hopefully you guys can see them down there. There you go. There it is. Oh, covered with gravel, but right there, there's a little decent flake. I'm gonna suck that up with a snuffer bottle, but nothing big yet. Got to be there though. Detective's screaming, so there's something down there. I want you guys to see this. Hard to see, but there is some good gold down. Lights. Well, there's some gold down there. We'll pick it out, see what we can do. I did find a nail. Doesn't look like the piece that set off the detector. It must have been the nail that set off the detector, but it's really difficult with the water flowing. You can't get it with the tweezers with the water. Let's go with the bottle. I'll show you later. Go back. Well, that's a total pain without knee pads, but it's pretty painful. But I'll show you what I got. I didn't get anything very big, but I definitely got some gold out of there that I wouldn't have found. I think I was detecting the iron bits. Shake this down here a little bit, too much water in it. I was detecting the bits of iron and then ended up finding gold in the bottom. So I'll show you this here real quick. It's my little backup scoop, but you could see there was a good bit of gold in there in that little spot. So that's nice. I'm gonna look for some more spots like that. Not a get-rich day, but who knows? Well, detecting the creek has paid off, and this is the only creek I think I've ever been on where I see gold just out of the blue, right? Like they call them sunbakers in Australia, but these are underwater sometimes. But the detector beeped, and I looked down there, and there's gold there. So here we go. Zooming in. My tweezers. I don't know if you can see it yet, but my tweezers there. There you go. All right, here we go. You see it. It is right in here somewhere. So here we go. See it yet? Right there. Right there. Come on. Come on. Oh. I don't think it's a very big piece, but I can't get it. Through this rock. Oh. Man, even when you can see it in there, you can't. It's hard to get it out underwater. Other side. Oh, there it is. Come out. Ah, got it. Jeez. All right. There it is. Not a very big nugget, but the detector said it was there, so it's working. There we go. I'll look for the bottle. I'll get back to you. Okay, I was forced to give up on that last one right over there, but there's a really good signal here. Gotta be something there, so we're gonna try and get to it here. As usual. Difficult. Great difficulty. Alright, darn it, where is it? Narrowing it down, it appears to be right in this area here. Wouldn't you know it, right when I turned the camera off, I spotted the gold that I'd uncovered. Here, I'll show you. You can see it right there, but you can probably really see it, I hope. Right there. I don't know. Let's see if we can get it out now. Could be a good piece. There's two pieces here. One. That's a nice one. This is gonna be a better one. And two. Look at that. That's 3 nuggets for the day. See if there's anything else floating out here. Sweet. Starting to pay off. Very difficult, but it seemed like those weren't in the exact same spot that I thought the target was. So there may be more out here. I guess I can hit it with a detector for all these best bet. Yet. Sounds like there might be something over there. All right, well, I'm gonna put these other two in my bottle. All right, here we go. A couple of nice bits of gold there. Clunk, clunk. I'll take it. Nice. All right, it's the end of the day and it's getting late. I've walked way down river this time. Probably about a mile or more on the river, which is a long way on this kind of river. And my sight glass worked pretty darn good. The only time it was a problem was when I couldn't really get deep enough because the water was too deep where I got a signal. So that was a little bit of annoying pain in the butt. But I wanted to show you the couple of bits of gold I got. And let's see here. And so I got some fine gold and I got these kind of 3 larger pieces. So I can't complain. Anytime, stay. Anytime you're finding gold, it's a good day. Thanks for watching.